Hello, this is Selasi Adika Esquire. I am a lawyer and entrepreneur. I am making this video to recommend the services of two people, Kashiv Shah and Dania. Um, I have used their services over the years. I still continue to use their services. Specifically, Dania is wonderful at blog writing and for social media and SEO stuff. Whereas Kashif and his team are world class when it comes to software development, building a platform, be e-commerce or any of these new technologies. And he's very well versed in them. So if you're looking for a company or an IT expert and a SEO and social media marketing expert, I think that you should definitely take a serious look at the dynamic duo I'm talking about, Kashif Shah and Dania. I've had a tremendous experience with them. I was a newbie in this industry when I first started, and they've made me an expert. I understand everything, it takes to build a platform from beginning to end. Now, I'm not an expert, but they've been able to break it down, IT for dummies, where I know my way around this stuff now. So if you're looking to hire a company or an IT duo for any of these tasks that I just talked about, I would highly recommend